Today we're headed to Park City with Margot for a tour of her beautiful new listing.
This is a townhome in the heart of Kimball with amazing views from the rooftop deck.
Here we are at the Nevis at New Park. This is a beautiful subdivision with a ton of amenities. And here we are at an end unit that was coincidentally the developer's property that they lived in. So it has all the upgrades. Why don't you take us inside and show us around?
So some of the upgrades, let's start with the mudroom. And the mudroom actually has a sink in it, which is great for when you're doing laundry. The garage has an epoxy floor and a built-in ski and boot rack, slats for storage, and a workbench area with maple wood.
They've made really good use of all of this space. I'm shocked at everything they've been able to fit in here and have it so cozy and comfortable, particularly that fireplace. I love the lights. I love the essence that it gives off of such a cozy, warm environment, especially during those winter months you'll see up here in Park City.
Speaking of staying warm in the winter, the primary suite has a steam shower in the bathroom. We have Toto toilets with heated seats and bidet. We also have a Bullfrog hot tub on the amazing rooftop deck.
And that rooftop deck is something to be admired. It's so spacious, has plenty of built-in options. I can only imagine what a party up there would feel like, winter or summer. And this seller has even gone to the extent of having not only turf, but some extra drainage systems. You even get to take advantage of some plants up in that area. I cannot believe all the amenities here.
The sellers love to entertain on the rooftop deck. This could be used as a primary residence or as an investment property. It is approved for nightly rentals.
Having that option for a rental makes this a great investment opportunity with walkability to shops and restaurants, having freeway access, and taking advantage of the slopes. This is going to be a property that you don't want to miss.